Did you know that on average we spend a staggering 90% of our time indoors? But why do so many of us not know what makes our homes healthy, comfortable, and efficient? Hi, I'm Casey Gray, and I've been building and renovating homes for over 20 years now. Back in 2012, I decided to shift my focus from just being another contractor to being an impactful contractor, a conscious builder. The shift came from my focus on personal development and the fact that my wife and I found out that we were having a son. It was at that moment that I realized the importance of leading by example. That is when I committed to doing my part to leaving this world better when I leave than it was when I showed up. And that is what this channel is for. Here at The Conscious Builder, we are sharing our knowledge so that you can pay it forward. We'll cover everything from building science to how much it costs to build your home. We'll cover net zero homes, passive homes, off-grid homes, and even natural homes. We'll cover new technology, products, tricks, and tactics. We'll share what worked for us, what didn't work for us, and what we're trying now. My promise to you is that we will always be learning and growing, so that means that you will always be learning and growing with us. If you're looking for perfection, you're not going to find that here, but we are committed to mastery, and that means that we're going to make mistakes, but we're going to learn from them, and we're going to continue moving forward. We're going to be better today than we were yesterday, and we're going to be better tomorrow than we are today. I'm super excited that you're here. Together, we can do so much more than if we work alone. Thank you for joining us on this journey. I'm Casey Gray, and welcome to the Conscious Builder YouTube channel.